Common daily use English sentences. Hey. Good morning. Hey. Good morning. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. This had to happen. This had to happen. I am coming in a while. I am coming in a while. You seem to be lost somewhere. You seem to be lost somewhere. He is having to sound asleep. He is having to sound asleep. Why are you stretching the issue? Why are you stretching the issue? I am to get up at 6:45. I am to get up at 6:45. Need the flour. Need the flour. I often go to his home. I often go to his home. What brings you here? What brings you here? Serve the food. Serve the food. Bask the sun. Bask the sun. Don't look at him. Don't look at him. Open the door. Open the door. I will leave in half an hour. I will leave in half an hour. He will go in a week or so. He will go in a week or so. I can't find my charger. I can't find my charger. What if he doesn't obey you? What if he doesn't obey you? Turn off the tab. Turn off the tab. There would be hardly 10 rupees in my wallet. There would be hardly 10 rupees in my wallet. Your anger is justified. Your anger is justified. Spit away the anger. Spit away the anger. I'll call you when we go. I'll call you when we go. It's not worthwhile. It's not worth it. It's not worthwhile. It's not worth it. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. As you think, so you become. As you think, so you become. The weather has suddenly turned bad. The weather has suddenly turned bad. You have put on your slippers the wrong side. You have put on your slippers the wrong side. I have come here with lots of hope. Have come here with lots of hope. Come with me. Come with me. 100 free daily use English sentences for conversations. You will learn. You will learn. Put on the blue shirt today. Put on the blue shirt today. Get it repaired. Get it repaired. When will you get married? When will you get married? Well done. Well done. Whom would you like to invite? Whom would you like to invite? When are you coming back? When are you coming back? When will we arrive? When will we arrive? How were your holidays? How were your holidays? Button up your shirt. Button up your shirt. You amazed me. You amazed me. The food was delicious. The food was delicious. This is all his conspiracy to trap you. This is all his conspiracy to trap you. Don't make a quarrel. Don't make a quarrel. He always sands my ways. He always sands my ways. I can't cheat her. I can't cheat her. I was busy with some work. I was busy with some work. I am sorry, I got late. I am sorry, I got late. I was just kidding. I was just kidding. You are responsible for this. You are responsible for this. Don't stutter. Don't stutter. I must leave now. I must leave now. You better listen up. You better listen up. I tried a lot, but all in vain. I tried a lot, but all in vain. Don't take chilled water. Don't take chilled water. Don't take chilled eatables. Don't take chilled eatables. My watch is not functioning. My watch is not functioning. You have got a cough. You have got a cough. Don't shirt the work. Don't shirt the work. Mend your ways. Mend your ways. Eat as per your appetite. Eat as per your appetite. He is still going through a bad phase. He is still going through a bad phase. Don't spill the food on the bed. Don't spill the food on the bed. Don't be stubborn. Don't be stubborn. Which movie would like to watch? Which movie would like to watch? From where did you take this book? From where did you take this book? Sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that. You are stressed for no reason. You are stressed for no reason. How are concerned with our affairs? How are concerned with our affairs? Mind your own business. Mind your own business. Nobody listens to me. Nobody listens to me. The man got punished for what he had done. The man got punished for what he had done. It's very kind of you. It's very kind of you. She is stitching clothes. She is stitching clothes. These people want to meet you. These people want to meet you. I want to do it wholeheartedly. I want to do it wholeheartedly. What wrong have I done to you? What wrong have I done to you? How changed the time is. How changed the time is. Let nature take its course / let happen, whatever is going on. Let nature take its course / let happen, whatever is going on. Whatever happens, happens. Whatever happens, happens. Who can change destiny? Who can change destiny? Don't ever call me again. Don't ever call me again. Please have a little more. Please have a little more. Please pay attention. Please pay attention. You must be ashamed. You must be ashamed. I am an early riser. I am an early riser. I am supposed to go there today. I am supposed to go there today. I will remain indebted to you. I will remain indebted to you. It will rather please me. It will rather please me. Your work is praiseworthy. Your work is praiseworthy. Settle this matter somehow. Settle this matter somehow. We will keep a vigil on his activity. We will keep a vigil on his activity. I will no stone unturned. I will no stone unturned. Will you do me a favor? Will you do me a favor? It is not worthwhile going there. It is not worthwhile going there. To be honest, I am very happy. To be honest, I am very happy. I am in dire need of money. I am in dire need of money. He seemed very aloof all the time. He seemed very aloof all the time. God knows who he is. God knows who he is. The winters are around the corner. The winters are around the corner. Don't copy others. Don't copy others. Don't stretch the matter further. Don't stretch the matter further. Don't act so pricey. Don't act so pricey. It's no use going there. It's no use going there. I'm feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. Don't abuse him, her. Don't abuse him, her. Please don't embarrass me. Please don't embarrass me. It's all yours. It's all yours. Let me take a shower. Let me take a shower. You are responsible for that. You are responsible for that. It is no use asking him. It is no use asking him. Come with us. Come with us. You can't escape from this. You can't escape from this. What did you say? What did you say? Use your brain. Use your brain. The cake will take 15 minutes to prepare. The cake will take 15 minutes to prepare. The water is running over. Turn the tap off. The water is running over. Turn the tap off. Heat up the tea. Heat up the tea. Did I get you right? Did I get you right? Let's learn something new. Let's learn something new. Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. This house cost us 1 lakh rupees. This house cost us 1 lakh rupees. I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. I've got hurt. I've got hurt. Your mouth is smelling of onion. Your mouth is smelling of onion. Don't litter here. Don't litter here. The children next door make lots of noise. The children next door make lots of noise.